Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to verify a CashApp account. First thing first, launch the CashApp on your mobile device. Now tap the Banking tab, then select Bitcoin because you need identity verification so you can start using Bitcoin on CashApp. Now, choose Deposit Bitcoin and follow the on-screen instructions to provide your personal information. Enter your email address and upload a photo of your government-issued ID like ID card, driver's license, or passport. And take a little selfie photo in a good lighting, so make sure your face is clearly visible. Now, wait for approval. Verification may take some time. If your status says pending for too long, you may need to recheck your details or contact support. Once approved, you'll be able to buy, sell, and deposit Bitcoin directly through CashApp. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.